All right, so this video is going to show how to set a background to the image in Canva, or a background onto the slide that we're creating as we're building a story or a really fun visual to show someone. So I'm going to first go into the Elements tab here in Canva, and I've decided that I want the my cat and the minion to have a pool party. So I can go over to Elements and just type in what I'm looking for. And then from there, I'll see loads of different options. So I'm going to go ahead and choose, say, see all on the photos. And then I can see lots of different swimming pool options that I can choose from. I think for now, I'm going to pick this one. Looks pretty fun. And so I've selected my image. Once my image is on the slide, I can right click on that image and then choose set image as background. And there we go. Now all of a sudden I've got my cat and a minion here ready to have a lot of fun at a pool party. Alternatively to using this Elements tab, we can choose an image from Google Images that we find. I like to use this if I can, just because it's so convenient right here within the Canva platform. I never even have to go out of it, but we can certainly just go on Google Images as well and search for swimming pool and look at what's available. Um, you know what might be fun is if we find one with a slide and a diving board. Like this one looks kind of good, but I want to be able to see the whole slide. So I'm going to find swimming pool with slide and diving board. I might have been able to do this in Canva, but here I am in Google Images, so we'll just go with that. And oh, awesome. This one looks, um, that one looks pretty good. Or this one, oh, tough decision. I'm going to go with this guy because I like the basketball hoop too. That's pretty fun. So I can right click on my Google image, copy it, go back to my Canva slide, and then first thing is I'm gonna uh, take that image off, delete it, and then I will right click and then hit paste. There's my image from Google, and now right click on that, set image as background, and now I've got them at a fun place where they can be going down the slide or jumping off the diving board. It's going to be a good party.